Vincent van Gogh was a Dutch post-impressionist painter who spent much of his life in France. He lived from 1853 to 1890. His paintings are known for their vibrant colors, dynamic brushstrokes, and emotional intensity. The bedroom was painted in 1889, just 1 year before his death. It's one of his most famous paintings. It conveys a really intimate picture of his home and personal space. The distorted perspective, irregular lines, and contrasting colors give this painting a really spontaneous, almost childlike appearance.
Thanks for watching. It would be a huge support to me if you would subscribe. Be sure to check out the other amazing art lessons and art tutorials on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.